Hello crochet friends and welcome back to Yarn Over Hook. My name is Sammy and in today's video I'm going to show you, can you guess? The Waffle Stitch! This is such a fun stitch. It is so unique, perfect for a blanket, a washcloth, a pot holder. I think that would look so fun in your kitchen. I am so excited to do this stitch today, so let's hop into it. To start our waffle stitch, you want to do a foundation double crochet of a multiple of 3. If you're going to do a standard chain, then you want to chain a multiple of 3 plus 2. Do a double crochet in the third chain from your hook and all the way across. Just make sure that you end up with a multiple of 3 double crochet. Then we're going to turn. Here you have 2 options. You can chain 2 and that will count as your first double crochet. Or you can do a stacked single crochet into that first stitch and that will count as your first double crochet as well. I am going to do a stacked single crochet. And then for the next stitch, we're going to do a front post double crochet. If you aren't quite comfortable with doing front post double crochet, you can check out our video on how to do that. I go very slowly and walk through it with a fine tooth comb. Can I use that phrase here? If you need help, check out that video. So we did a double crochet here. So this is not the post we're going to go around. We're going to go around the next post because that is the next stitch. Yarn over. Insert your hook to the right of that post, stab it to the back, wrap it around and bring it to the front. Yarn over and pull through. Yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops. Yarn over and pull through the remaining 2 loops. Then we're going to do 2 double crochet in the next 2 stitches. Yarn over, insert your hook into that stitch. Yarn over and pull through. Yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull through the remaining 2 loops on your hook. And the same thing in the next stitch. And then we're going to do another front post double crochet. So we did a double crochet here, so that belongs to this one, this post here. This double crochet belongs to this post here. So we're going to do our front post around this one. Insert your hook to the right, stab it to the back, wrap it around and bring it back to the front. Yarn over and pull through. Yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull through the remaining loops on your hook. And we'll just do that again. 2 double crochet in the next 2 stitches. And 2. So this double crochet belongs to this front post and this, or post, and this double crochet belongs to this post. So we're going to do a front post around this next one here. Insert your hook to the right, stab it to the back, wrap it around and bring it to the front. Yarn over and pull through. Yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull through the last 2 loops on your hook. And then we're going to do 2 double crochet in these next 2 stitches. That's 1. And here is 2. And then we'll do 1 last front post double crochet around this post here. So let's double check. Here's our double crochet into that stitch. So that post belongs to that one. And this post belongs to that one. So this is where our front post will go. And then in this final stitch, if you did a foundation double crochet, I always count the chain here as a stitch. So in this final stitch here, we'll just do a standard double crochet. That's our first row of our waffle. Then we're going to turn. Once again, you can do a chain 2 here or a stacked single crochet. This will count as your first double crochet of this row. In the next stitch, you will do a standard double crochet. And then for these 2, you are actually going to do a front post double crochet. If you remember, these 2 are a standard double crochet from the previous row. So you can kind of use that as a cheat from here on out. Pull yarn over, insert our hook to the right of that post and stab it to the back. Wrap it around and bring it back to the front. Yarn over and pull through. And again for the next one. And then for the next stitch, we'll do a standard double crochet. This stitch is actually the front post double crochet of the previous row. And we'll just repeat that same pattern. So around these 2 standard double crochet from the previous row, we will do a front post double crochet. That's 1. And 2. And then our next stitch is that front post from the previous row. So we will do a standard double crochet. And then 2 front posts. And we will end with 2 standard double crochet. That's 1 and 2. That's our second row for our waffle stitch. So let's see the reveal. It's not going to be a perfect waffle just yet, but we're going to be getting there. It's definitely a tease. Here we are. Yay, yay, yay. This is such a fun stitch. I love this stitch. It is so unique. Once again, you can start this row with a chain 2 or a stacked single crochet. And we are going to do exactly what we did on that second row, the row after our foundation. So this counts as our first double crochet. We're going to do a front post around this standard double crochet from this previous row. Followed by 2 standard double crochet for the 2 front post double crochet of the previous row. And then a front post double crochet. And 2 standard double crochet. Front post. Two standard. and a front post for this last one here. Before we do our bookend, standard double crochet there. Can you see it? Do you see the vision? And then turn, and we'll do exactly what we did here for this next row. So your chain 2 or your stacked single crochet, a double crochet here, 2 front post double crochet, standard double crochet, and then 2 front post double crochet. And you'll just repeat that same pattern all the way to the end. Look! Ah! There's our waffle! You can't tell me that doesn't look delicious. Come on now. You'll just keep repeating this until your desired length. The more you do, the more defined your waffle will become. So just keep going until you have that perfect, beautiful waffle. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button, subscribe, and ding the bell so that you know when we upload a new video. And I'll catch you in the next one. Bye!